If you're experiencing login issues with Simulations Plus 2026, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password feature on the login page to reset it. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Simulations Plus customer support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the problem for quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you encounter with Simulations Plus 2026.